Good morning, students. As you know, Python functions provide reusability of code and make program management much easier. Therefore, it is very important for us to learn how to write functions in Python. In this video, I am going to explain you how to write Python functions. So let's move toward the first topic of this video, returning values from functions. Dear students, function in Python may or may not return any value. Based on return value, Python functions can be categorized in two categories. First one is functions not returning any value. Such functions are called void functions, and functions which return some value, such functions are called non-void functions. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to write void functions and non-void functions. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file. Def is a keyword used to create user-defined function in Python. And add is our function name. Now call function add. This is the example of void function having no parameter. Now run this program. Now save the file. First save your file and click at option run and run module. It asking for you and asking for the program is asking for you to enter first number 12. Now I am going to show you how to write void function having parameter. Add function is accepting two values as parameter. Execution of this program starts from this line. First, it will ask to enter first number, and then it will ask to enter second number. When we call the function add, x copies its value in variable a, and y copy its value in variable b. Now save the file. And click at option run module. The program is asking to enter first number, then second number, and the sum is 25 is your output. Now I am going to show you how to write non-void functions having no parameter. As you know, all non-void functions always return some value. Therefore, whenever we write non-void functions, we always use return statement in program code. Now call the function. When we call add function will return value C, and the value of the return value C will copy in variable Z. Now save the program. Click at option run module. The program is asking to enter the first number 12, second number, the sum is 25. This is your output. Now I am going to show you how to write non-void function having parameter. When we call the function add, the value of variable x will copy in variable a, and the value of variable y will copy in variable b. The function add will return value c. The return value c will be copied in variable z. Now save this function, and now click at option run module. The program is asking to enter first number, enter second number, and this is your output. Thank you. Have a nice day.